Next Insurance Review. Watch before using. Most people get business insurance wrong. They assume it's complicated, expensive, or only for large companies. The surprising truth about Next Insurance is how it provides tailored, affordable coverage for small businesses and independent contractors, and you won't believe how fast you can get insured. Here's how it works. Next Insurance allows you to select policies for liability, professional services, or general business coverage. Quotes are instant, and policies can be purchased online in minutes. For example, a freelance photographer can get liability insurance specific to photo shoots, events, and equipment protection without overpaying. Most people get this wrong. They assume insurance requires brokers and paperwork, but Next Insurance simplifies the process entirely online. Additional features include customizable coverage limits, digital certificates, and policy management through the app. Users praise speed, affordability, and clear terms without confusing jargon. However, there are considerations. Certain specialized industries may require additional coverage, and claims still require documentation. Most people assume instant means comprehensive. Reading policy details is essential. In conclusion, Next Insurance is ideal for small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors seeking quick, affordable, and tailored coverage. It simplifies insurance while providing the protection you need. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business insurance and financial services.